Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. His parents are Nikita Nehru and Swarpadani.
It's okay, take your time, slowly.
Educated in England and trained in the Inner Temple. He joined Indian National Congress. He was very close to Mahatma Gandhi. He took part in many freedom struggles. He was arrested many times by British government. He spent more than 9 years in jail during his lifetime. He was the great leader and freedom fighter. He was the first Prime Minister of India and he is the longest serving Prime Minister of India. He played a key role in making the new India. He loved children very much. Children called him as Chachaji. His birth anniversary was celebrated as Children's Day every year. He is also known as architect of modern India. He implemented many 5-year plans. He was educated. He gave more importance to educate children. In 1955, Nehru was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor. He died on 27th May 1964 in New Delhi. He was the good role model for everyone. We must try to follow and respect him. Jai Hind, thank you.